Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about STX, STX altcoin. It is a layer 2 solution for Bitcoin. Lets you build on Bitcoin. I'm going to give you guys my price prediction, let you know where I think this market is headed. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, first things first, over on Crypto Twitter, I made this post, and I said, I should probably just make a video about this after I made this post. I was thinking about it. You can follow me at 333 Black C to keep up to date with me. I'm posting many times a day on Twitter, and I'm very active there. I say, if you look into Stacks, you'll realize how undervalued it is. Stacks, STX, is a cryptocurrency? Yes, it is. Platform that allows you to build apps on Bitcoin? Yes, it is. And Bitcoin maxis guilty pleasure, because it's a joke, but it's true. I mean, what makes Bitcoin better is being able to build Bitcoin apps. Build apps on Bitcoin. Have Bitcoin's security without being compromised. Having Bitcoin's decentralization. It's very good. Being able to make ordinals. Have NFTs being built on Bitcoin. Stacks makes this easy, guys. There's a lot of fun meme coins CryptoKip and I have been having a lot of fun with on the Stacks community and the Stacks blockchain. It's been very fun with just dealing with all of that and talking with you guys. But it is kind of simmered down significantly after we've been chopping sideways for nearly 7 months, maybe going on 8 months here soon. But hopefully the Stacks meme coin era can come back, because I had a blast trading all those coins. Pepe on Stacks, Welsh, Gus, had a lot of fun with that. But let's take a look into Stacks here a little bit deeper, guys. So right now, Stacks is trading at rank 34 out of the top 100 cryptocurrencies. Pretty awesome to see that. Sitting at a $2.5 billion market cap with a 1.8 billion circulating supply. And there's not, that's the max supply as well. There's not anything locked up or anything like that. Pretty nice to see that. All in all here, guys, people are underestimating this coin. I mean, it's not really been talked about, and I really would like to see it become a narrative this cycle, and I think that it will. As long as Bitcoin plays nice, and we see this next leg to the upside, I think that we're going to see some big moves for Stacks. I know lots of investors, I know lots of venture capital that is very interested in Stacks and have invested into Stacks as well, and I'm a part of it. I like Stacks a lot. I'm a big buyer. Like I said, I had a blast playing around the ecosystem, and now that they have the Nakamoto upgrade, because originally the only problem with building on Bitcoin is, well, it's slow. It's slow, guys, and the transactions are expensive. Not as expensive as Ethereum, though. That's an interesting thing to think about. But since the Nakamoto upgrade, now they've moved from 30-minute transaction times, I know that sounds ridiculous, all the way down to less than a minute, which is absolutely fantastic to see, because let's be honest here, guys, as this is a cutting-edge technology in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, it's cutting edge. If something's faster and cheaper, it's going to outpace it, as simple as that. But I will also say that anything that is directly connected to Bitcoin is a little bit of a higher level when it comes to cutting edge technology, because, guys, it has the decentralization of Bitcoin. It's absolutely insane. It's absolutely insane. That's why I'm so bullish on it. Sitting at $1.39 right now. We did come up all the way at one point to $3 and about, I think, $3.88 I saw on some exchanges. But over on TradingView, when we're looking at Binance, it says about $3.73. And look at this, guys. We are coming right back down to this support level, sitting at $1.24. I'm a Stacks bull, guys. I bought a lot of my coins in the bear market. I was accumulating Solana at $8. I was buying Ethereum below, I think my lowest buy for this bear market was around $1,200, somewhere around there. I got in low on that, and I've been buying. I've been buying throughout the bear market, and the only coin right now where I'm like, hey, I'm going to buy some of these dips is Stacks, and I've been accumulating. CryptoKip turned me on to this coin, and I looked deep into it, and I'm a fan. I am a fan of this protocol. Layer 2 solution for Bitcoin, being able to build smart contracts on Bitcoin. Pretty incredible stuff, guys, and I'm very surprised not that many people are talking about it just yet. Maybe as we see this boring Bitcoin sideways chop come to an end and we see an impulse wave to the upside, maybe we're going to start to see this start to play out, because guys, there's Bitcoin ordinals, the BRC20 coins, and stacks makes that a very, very much more easier of an idea to actually happen, because there's a lot of friction when you're dealing with a slow Bitcoin, that's why I say it's a Bitcoin maxis guilty pleasure, because it's Bitcoin, but you also have all the pros of NFTs, smart contracts, and it's not just a store of value. Now it's actually a working, interoperable blockchain. So very, very cool stuff. When we look over at stacks here on the weekly, we're looking at Market Cipher. I just want to point out, guys, Market Cipher is pretty silly right now in some of these altcoins, because we've been chopping sideways, guys. We don't know which way we're going here. When you look at altcoins individually, I mean, you have a green dot, red dot, green dot, red dot. It can't make its mind up if we're going to start to curl up to the upside here, but we are looking like we're starting to bottom out, especially if you look over at this chart. Coming very, very close to that $1.24 price level. I think on a weekly time frame we can come down, but it really comes down to what Bitcoin decides to do here, guys. It really does come down to that. When we look at the overall market right now, Bitcoin's trading at 54,000. We've wicked down to 52,000, 53,000 in that area. Bitcoin dominance continues to break down. I've called for that, guys. I've said Bitcoin dominance has been topped out for months now. We broke above 60%, and now we're trading at basically 57.7% if you exclude stablecoins, but I do think that we're going to keep coming down until Bitcoin either comes down significantly, breaks below that $52,000 price level, or breaks out to the upside above 75,000. So we're really going to be having to keep our eyes on that once we finally get that confirmation that we're breaking out of this channel. And I do think that we are due for somewhat of a bounce here when you look at Bitcoin on the weekly. I mean, we did wick down all the way to about $53,000, like I said, on the weekly. We are up a little bit here, but I do think that we are getting close to seeing a bounce here, guys. And I don't think that probably plays out until later on this month. We're about a third of the way through this month. It's September 10th right now. We're pretty close to the third of the way, and I think towards the end of this month we should be paying very, very close attention to a move to the upside here. And when that happens, I do think stacks will be right there with it. Stacks is kind of a leverage play on Bitcoin. Anytime Bitcoin makes a move, say a 5% move, I see stacks do anywhere from a 10 to 15%. It's pretty crazy. Stacks is only sitting at, what did I say? Stacks is at a $2.5 billion market cap. I definitely, I know this sounds ridiculous, think that this can 10x from here. I do think that's very, very possible. My conservative price would probably be around $5. So let's say a 3x from here, 2 to 3x, 2.5x from here. I think that's appropriate above a $5 billion market cap. I think that's a appropriate level to be looking at. But, if Bitcoin decides to just keep breaking out, we're looking at the monthly now. If Bitcoin decides to break above this on the monthly and we go to $150,000, well, and then the overall cryptocurrency market cap breaks previous highs above, say, $3 trillion, then I do think that stacks can do something like a 10x. I do think that it's possible. $25 billion market cap is not that big of a deal if we're talking about a $10 trillion asset class. So that's something that we need to be paying attention to. But, guys, let me know in the comment section below. Should I be as bullish as I am on stacks? Do you think we can 10x from here, go to a $25 billion market cap for stacks? In my opinion, I do think it's very, very possible. But Bitcoin's got to play nice. We got to see this sideways chop come to an end, get some volume going back into these altcoins, see a meme coin season. I really want to trade those stacks memes again. I had so much fun with CryptoKip trading those. Late night phone calls. Do you see this? Do you see Pepe on stacks mooning right now? Seeing 100x play out. It was a lot of fun. It was like the Solana meme coin ecosystem before it got overcrowded. It was a lot of fun. But, guys, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know, do you think we can reach a $25 billion market cap on stacks? A $10 or $12 stacks? I believe that we can see it. It's one of my largest positions when it comes to altcoins. I have taken a little bit of profit, but I will be honest with you guys. Like I said, this is one of the only coins that I've been buying around here in this chop zone. I've been very excited about it. But I will also say, guys, if you want to check out some awesome affiliate links down below and in the pinned comment section, we have a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin, a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. All you gotta do is click those links, deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. There's many meme coins you can leverage trade on Blowfin, and they're constantly adding them. Very, very excited about this platform. It's a very, very useful tool. Just please be careful, guys. Be very careful. Use risk management when you're using these leverage trading tools. But that's all I got for you. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye.